Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Just a couple of reminders. One is that the meteorologist Joe Cioffi weather app is working again, 100%. Had a minor glitch that took 8 weeks to resolve, but everything is working. You should be getting your notifications. So apologize for the inconvenience. Also, the Joe and Joe show, which normally is on Sunday, will not be on this Sunday, so we'll be back Monday night at 7:30 Eastern Time. We've seen a return of humidity today. The dew points have been gradually coming up. You can see clouds streaming up from the southwest. And there's also some activity showing up on the radar, which we'll get to in a moment. You can see the lightning flashes here in the greens, yellows, and reds that are going on down in Virginia. Some thunderstorms are developing and moving northeastward. Some other storms in eastern North Carolina and over the state of Florida as of 1:45 Eastern Time. And as we check out the radar, there is actually some thunderstorm activity that has developed and some heavy downpours. We're seeing a cell moving across the north shore of Long Island. I just want to remind everybody there was that very, very small cell that developed and lasted for all of a couple of hours over central Long Island on Thursday. That was not a tornado. That was straight line wind damage. And it was a very, very small cell. So if you were maybe a couple of miles either side of it, you really didn't see much of anything. But if you were in it, you got clobbered. There was a lot of damage in Ronkonkoma and Selden, a few other places, Farmingville, and as fast as it came, it disappeared. And we're kind of getting into this type of situation here as we go through the rest of the summer that you have to watch for these pop-up isolated severe thunderstorms that form, especially along sea breeze fronts. So that would be on Long Island and coastal New Jersey and in southern Connecticut. You might see something like that in the coming weeks. So bear that in mind. We've got some scattered showers and storms back in Pennsylvania, down in the Washington, D.C., Baltimore area, and there could be a shower or thunderstorm anywhere at any time going into the first part of tonight. But you'll notice it's not widespread activity here on the radar, so not all of you will see them, and it's a pretty good bet that the vast majority of you probably won't see a shower or thunderstorm late this afternoon or this evening. Marginal risk today in eastern Virginia to Maryland and Delaware. Down into northeasternmost North Carolina, also in parts of Nebraska and Kansas, northern Missouri, and southernmost Iowa. For tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center is showing a couple of areas of marginal risk, southwest Pennsylvania down through Kentucky, also in western Tennessee, northeastern Arkansas, southern Missouri, and back up into the great state of Montana. And then as we move on to day 3, which is Monday into Tuesday, we're looking at a small area of marginal risk on Monday for Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, down into southern New Hampshire. We might see that area of marginal risk get expanded a little bit, and marginal to slight risk running right along the Canadian border into North Dakota and northeastern Montana for day 3. We do have some long-range thunderstorm activity being indicated on day 4, where we see a slight risk moving into the western Great Lakes. Day 5, day 6, which is Thursday into Friday. Now, day 6 right now shows predictability too low, but I wouldn't be shocked if we wind up seeing eventually an area of risk from southeastern New England down into North Carolina with another cold front that is coming in down the road. We could use rainfall, and in the next 7 days, the inland areas might do a bit better than the coastal areas, where we're seeing 1.5 inches or more being indicated for northwest New Jersey, the middle and upper Hudson Valley into upstate New York, back through Pennsylvania and Ohio and into West Virginia. Less than that as you head south and east toward the coast, but there will be some chances here with upper air disturbances and fronts that will be going by. Now, as far as the overall pattern is concerned, we're still seeing these systems dropping down out of Canada. We have one such system coming through for Monday, but there's not much to it. There's not a whole lot of dry air behind it. In fact, there's very little, if any, dry air. Humidity is going to be the story probably right into Thursday of next week. And starting on Tuesday, we're going to be dealing with temperatures that will be back up to 90 or better until a stronger trough approaches for Thursday and a stronger cold front. There might be a little bit of dew point relief after that goes by, but that may only last a day or so because a ridge is going to start to try to build in the eastern part of the United States come next weekend and beyond. We'll see how much success it has in bringing hot temperatures and high humidity. But as we take a look on the surface, here's how we play it out for the weekend. So again, watch for some scattered showers and thunderstorms into this evening. They could occur anywhere at any time. It's almost pointless to show you the models on this because I could show you all the bunch of different models, and every one of them will have the thunderstorms in a different place. So just bear in mind that the risk is there for one. Chances are you won't see one, but remember that the risk is there. And then tomorrow, turning even more humid, maybe some scattered showers and thunderstorms into tomorrow evening. Now there's a disturbance that'll be moving by Sunday night into Monday morning. And with this, there could be a more widespread area of rain and thunderstorms into Monday morning. Then it's going to be very warm and muggy. We'll see some showers and thunderstorms late in the day Monday as the system goes by. We're looking at highs mostly low and mid 80s over the next couple of days inland with 70s to near 80 along the shore. And then starting Tuesday, because once that system goes out, the air behind that cold front is not cold. In fact, it's hot. So we're going to see temperatures into the 90s Tuesday, Wednesday, and then on Thursday, when a stronger front will approach, this is when we'll have a chance for thunderstorms late in the day, Thursday into Thursday night, and then maybe a quick shot of drier, slightly cooler air for Friday and into next weekend. So again, once again, just to remind you, the meteorologist Joe Cioffi weather app, which is available for free on Google Play or on the App Store, is working again. Full, every page is working. The home page, the video page, it's all there. So that's one piece of news. And the other is that there is no Joe and Joe weather show coming up for tomorrow, which is normally at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll be back on Monday at 7:30 p.m. So have a great rest of your Saturday afternoon and a great rest of your weekend.